The media will be asking, why are you branding an aircraft?
Number one, we want to showcase some of our iconic animals. One in the name of Tim that lived in Amboseli National Park, and two of the last remaining northern white rhinos, Fatu and Najim, to showcase them to the world. So the ceremony that we have had today was to cement that partnership between those two institutions, Kenya Airways and KTB, to commemorate the commencement of that extremely important partnership. We are also targeting raising awareness about the absolute importance of conservation that, in our view, is very much also in sync with the contemporary clarion call of finding ways of mitigating climate change. We have entered into partnership that the ministry is witnessing between KTB and Kenya Airways as a means of enhancing the magical Kenya brand visibility across the length and the breadth that Kenya Airways flies, as it were.
Now, and depending on how demand will pick up, we can go all the way to 53 destinations and beyond. And one of our responsibilities is to market the country when you see the red tail. And this is enhanced by this partnership we have with KTB, looking at those very beautiful animals. And it also goes hand in hand with one of our very deepest values, which is wildlife conservation. We are one of the very few, very fast airlines to play a big part in really looking at endangered species and playing our part in helping to protect endangered species and promoting wildlife conservation. That we are glad that we are seeing a slight improvement, or maybe let's say significant improvement compared to last year, of the numbers that we are moving from here or through here to other places in the world. So, for example, the domestic market is most impressive, because by next month we will be at 95% of 2019 levels. Kenya Airways, we have a zero tolerance policy towards illegal wild trade, and have long supported conservation efforts, so not just for tourism but also for wildlife, to protect endangered species across the world.
The partnership that we have with Kenya Airways is not one that is based on a couple of activities that we do together. It is one that is vested in ensuring that as a destination, we create what we call the magic that brings you to the destination, which is access. There is no destination that can thrive without a national carrier or a partner that is able to bring their guests from all over the world to visit that destination. So for us, we see the symbiotic relationship we have with Kenya Airways as something that we must always have, and is a great key to the success that Magical Kenya has. We have a heritage that we boast of everywhere we go, and that's our wildlife. But the animals that we have on the aircraft are just not any animals. The media will be asking, why are you branding an aircraft? Alan answered that question for me. 41 points of connection all over the world. That is enough reason to partner a person like that. It gives us 41 opportunities every month, or is it every week, or is it every fortnight? Whenever you see that tail, if it is our aircraft, it means that we, the destination, are aboard that tail with the pride of Africa.